All right, hey fourth graders, welcome back to Mr. Hansen's math class YouTube video. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, if you find that this video has helped you answer some of your questions from today's lesson, make sure you give it a like. Okay, today's lesson is lesson 63, which we are covering polygons. Okay, there's a big portion of this that I'll be explaining how many sides each polygon has. If you are taking notes, I highly recommend on writing it down, all of the different, at least the title of the shape and how many sides it has, because for future lessons now, just to have that information in front of you will always be nice. Excuse me. So if we are looking at a polygon, okay, what a polygon is that it has to be closed. It can't have any open sides. Okay, that's the first criteria that has to follow. It has to be flat. It can't be a 3D figure. Okay, so we're not a polygon. Okay, we're 3D. Okay, like a piece of paper would be an example of a flat shape, and then formed by line segments. Okay, it can't be curved. It can't be a curved line segment. It has to be straight lines. Okay, so for example 1, following all those guidelines that we just set out, okay, which of these shapes is a polygon? Okay, well let's start with letter A. What's wrong with letter A? It's not closed, okay, it's all open. If this would have came back down here, then we might be talking it might be a polygon, okay, but since it doesn't close, it's not a polygon. Letter B, is that a polygon? It is not, because it's a 3D figure, okay? You can see behind it, on top, and you can see more than one face of it. Okay, so B is not a polygon. C, is C a polygon? It is not, because it has a curved line, okay? So that's not a polygon. So D is the polygon, okay? It's closed, it's flat, and it's all connected by line segments. There's no curved lines. So D would be your answer. All right? So now polygons are named according to the number of sides they have. That's how we classify a polygon. Regular polygons, what classifies that is that a polygon's sides are all the same length and its angles are all the same size. Okay? So, yeah, so when I go through these, I put down just a polygon. So, for example, a triangle, that's just a triangle. This is a regular triangle because all sides and angles are equal. Okay? So that's what I did for every shape except the last one. I couldn't draw it very well. I'm not an artist, so I'm terrible at drawing, so I couldn't do that, but you'll see when we get there. So a 3-sided polygon is a triangle. Again, if you're taking notes, I highly recommend just write. You don't have to draw them, but I'd write down what a quadrilateral, how many sides a quadrilateral it has, which we should know has 4 sides. We should know a triangle has 3 sides. A pentagon is a 5-sided figure. Again, regular. Now it's not perfect, but it's something close to that. And then just a normal pentagon. Hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. Again, the regular polygon or regular hexagon doesn't look the best, but an octagon is an 8-sided polygon. Now, usually octagons you see when you're in the vehicle at a stop sign, that's an octagon, okay? And then the last one is a decagon, okay? And that's a 10-sided figure. Now, like you see, I couldn't draw the regular decagon or the regular polygon of a decagon. I just couldn't do it. But a decagon is a 10-sided figure. Okay, so example 2. What kind of a polygon is a square? So let's go here. So let's draw a square, best to our ability, free-handed. Okay, how many sides does a square have? Has 4 sides. So now if we go back to our notes, which polygon has 4 sides? Triangle is 3, a quadrilateral is 4. Okay, so that technically it would be a regular quadrilateral because all sides are equal in a square, but if you just put quadrilateral, that's okay. Example 3. An octagon has how many more vertices vertices than a pentagon. Now, a vertex is a line, okay, or side, okay? So, an octagon, let's look back, has how many sides? An octagon has 8 sides, so then we would put 8 for octagon, and then a pentagon has how many sides? So if we go up, decagon, octagon, hexagon, pentagon has 5 sides. So then 5, and then how would we find the difference? We would subtract. Okay, so then 8 minus 5 is 3, and then our label, vertices. Okay, that's example 3, and then last example. Now, like I said, I am not a good artist. So then this is supposed to look like a pyramid. Literally, I tried like 10 different times drawing this. This is probably the best that I could do. I know it's not the best, but I'm proud of it, all right? Name the polygons that form this pyramid, okay? So let's first focus on the faces, okay? This front face, what does that, what polygon is that? It's a triangle, okay? So then that's one polygon that is formed through a pyramid, and then that's all other faces, and then what's the bottom? If there's 1, 2, 3, 4, that has to be a quadrilateral, okay? And I'm just going to abbreviate it, all right? A quadrilateral, okay? That's the end of the lesson for you guys. Today's video shout out goes to, and I'm going to do 2 today. It is Jillian and Aaron, all right? Hope that you guys are, just for you, Jillian, all right? Rock Chalk, boo, Kentucky, all right? That's for you. Aaron, I hope you're doing well on the farm. Hope you're doing your chores outside. I bet you're busy right now with all this mud going on, so I hope you're having fun. I hope you all are staying healthy, and make sure you abide to the social distancing, all right? So we can try and limit this and hopefully get back some point this year, all right? Till next time, 4th grade, see you later. Peace out.